Hey, what's up guys? Gary Walker here with liveanabolic.com. Alright, this video is all about the Zercher squat. And is it the best exercise in the world? Alright? So a lot of great benefits to this squat. I actually love this variation. One thing that I like a lot about it, it's going to work your entire upper body musculature, alright? Your traps, your biceps, your entire core has to be extremely engaged throughout the entire movement. And it's also going to alleviate some spinal compression. You don't have all of the weight on your back, it's towards the front. Similar to a front squat, you're actually having to use your entire upper body to support the weight against your body, all right? So I love the Zercher squat. So many great benefits. It's going to work your glutes, hams, quads, again, your entire core. So a lot of benefits. One thing you want to make sure you're doing is stay extremely upright and keep the weight tight to your body. Don't allow it to go out in front. Stay nice and tight so you are alleviating stress in your lower back as well. One other thing before I show you how to do these, it also allows for great squat depth. So it's going to help open up those hips, those hip capsules, and you're going to allow a really good squat depth. So that being said, you basically want to start with the bar about mid-ab height. You can actually start a little lower if you want. You're going to get it. You're going to cross here. Keep the weight out in front of you. Again, keep it tight. Stand nice and tall. All right. Same thing with all my squats that I teach. Toes slightly out. Drive your knees out over your toes. And you're just going to sit down, nice and deep. Drive with your heels, just like that. Nice and upright. Tight abs. Drive. All right. So again, you can see the squat depth. You can see all that's required to keep the weight up and against your body. One more. Nice. Drive. All right. Sit back and ratchet. Rack it. That's the Zercher squat. If you haven't done it before, give it a shot. Try it out. Let me know what you think. Great, great exercise. Incorporate it into your workouts, your leg days. I love doing things that are different. I love the Zercher squat, goblet squats, front squats, back squats, all the squats. So give these a shot. Comment below. Let me know what you think. If you got any questions about any of it, ask in the comment section. But guys, other than that, get these implemented into your workout. Get busy, get after it, and God bless.